At what point in your journey did the heat press come in?
Okay, so heat press, I got my first heat press when I was just starting out. It was one of my first purchases, and I was doing the baby applique shirts like I was talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was wanting to get started with HTV and all that. So this started back in, like I said, 2016, and I got an Amazon press.
Okay.
And I'll tell you, it was okay. It did the job. It definitely did the job. But when I got my Heat Press Nation heat press, I'll tell you, that knocked it out of the water. So I recommend to people, if you are gonna get anything in the start of your business, you need to get a good heat press, and because you'll see the difference, the quality of the press and just everything. And you don't have to deal with all the issues. Sometimes my Amazon press would get so hot, and I'd be like, is this normal? Why is it heating up so much? You know, just stuff like that. And then you can't beat the auto open and all the stuff, all the bells and whistles. So if I'm going to tell anybody anything, get a good heat press. Starting off, if you can afford it, get a good heat press.